Hey, Troy here, and I am going to ask for a special favor from you as you're watching this video right now. I want you to give me just about 75 seconds of your time right now. And if what I share with you makes sense, you're going to want to continue watching this video. I'm going to ask you to like it. I'm going to ask you to comment. I'm going to ask you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. But in 75 seconds, actually a minute now, you'll know if this is something that will benefit you, that you could make a lot of money from. So here's what I want to ask you. I want to ask you, can you imagine if you were one of the first people in the world that was introduced to AI and you were given the chance to make a significant amount of money sharing it with others? You're one of the first people in the world. Nobody even knows what AI is, how it could benefit them, and you were given that opportunity and you could make unlimited amounts of income. Do I have your attention? All right, now that my 75 seconds is up, I appreciate you hanging in there. If what I share during the rest of this video makes sense, let me know. Drop a like, comment, subscribe to my channel. But what I'm sharing with you right now today is a brand new system known as Mailbot, which is a product of the new Simple Commissions business opportunity. And this AI email assistant pays you $100 instantly while effortlessly promoting multiple offers. So what does that mean? Not only does this system promote itself where you can make unlimited $100 payments, but it also will promote up to 3 different business opportunities that you're currently involved in. So I'm talking about engaging conversations with your leads. I'm talking about sending your leads, your prospects, to the opportunities that you're promoting, and with the best case scenario possible, having people click on your links, which it encourages them to do, along with handling any objections. Now think about that. How many times have you received an email from someone and you're doing your best to create value, you want to reply, and then all of a sudden 8 emails later from the same individual, and you've tried to address each of their concerns, all of a sudden by that last email they say to you, hey, you know what, I want to think about it. And you just spent 45 minutes to an hour of your time with an individual that had no interest in joining you whatsoever. How would that make you feel? So this is either the 4th day or the 5th day that I started promoting this system. And the image that you're looking at right now, so far I've gotten several $100 instant commissions paid to me. At the time of me shooting this video, this payment came in very early this morning, 2:30 in the morning. I wasn't online working, so this can collect payments and make you money 24 hours a day, right? And then look at this. You see the date here, June 29th, again, 2:30 in the morning. And then here, same day, another $100 commission, and this came in around 2:37 in the afternoon. So this is automation, and both of these payments came in directly to my Stripe account. Now, income disclaimer, there are no guarantees that you're going to make money in anything that you promote online. Having success with this program requires you having a personal desire to earn, and it comes from your own personal efforts. With that being said, think about that. $200, this is a brand new system. I just started sharing it with some other people, and it's already paying me, $200 in a single day. And it's still early in the afternoon. So getting back to what Mailbot is all about and how it can benefit you. All right, so back to the follow-up system. Look, you can automate your lead follow-ups. You could automate sales conversations, instantly start earning money. What I personally experienced and what excited me a lot when I first saw this program was that, I put it to the test. I actually sent a demo email to my sponsors, Mailbot. I sent that demo email, and within about 30 seconds, I got an email reply from Mailbot. And it was giving me more information about the program. I mean, comprehensive, extremely well put together email. So I went ahead, I read the information, which you're going to get access to in the next minute, and I made a decision to get started. Now, before I got started, I just asked it some general questions because I really wanted to make sure that the system was extremely good, that it did what it said it was going to do. And I used my regular Gmail account. So I'm just using a free email system. 30 seconds every time I got a reply, well documented reply, no questions left unanswered. And that's when I knew that this thing was going to hit a home run. So what you're going to see when you come across this website, you're going to see a short video, and then it's going to ask you, do you want to experience Mailbot firsthand? And all you're going to do is you're going to send it a message, and in the message that you're going to send it, you're going to ask for the system to send you info, and you will get a demo and see for yourself just really how powerful this is and how this AI email assistant can help you build any business, save you a ridiculous amount of time, and pay you instant commissions over and over and over again. Think about that. If this makes sense, drop me a like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Thanks so much for watching this video. To get access to this, just go to the description. Below the video, go to the description. You'll see how you can get your free demo. And I hope you have an amazing day. Once again, it's Troy. Take care.